Well, Simon Schuster is the publishing arm of CBS Corporation. We publish about 2,000 new titles a year, which is all basically in the consumer market. This facility is our Simon Schuster distribution center in Riverside, New Jersey. We directly ship all our customers in North America from here and indirectly support most of the world. The facility is about 600,000 square feet. We have roughly 225 people that work in the warehouse part of that, and then we have customer service and order management, that back office functions that are here as well.
We do full case shipping, we do split case shipping, and we do full pallet shipping. We're budgeted to ship about 150 million units this year, and we average about 600,000 units a day.
We're always looking for what other people are doing better, and one of our competitors had put voice in. We said that looks like a pretty good thing, so we went around and we looked at a number of installations, both in our industry and out of our industry, that use voice, and we were frankly pretty impressed. We had the choice of putting it in our warehouse management system, we had the choice of putting it in our warehouse control system, and we had a choice of having a totally standalone system. We chose to put it in our warehouse control system largely because there's a close interface in how this world actually works between our conveyor system and most warehouses and the voice pick unit, because the cartons are on the conveyor and that's controlled by the warehouse control system. AL is what we call our warehouse control system, and what that means is that it controls the movement of packages once they're in process in the warehouse. So when we're tracking packages through the warehouse, when we're worried about getting an author's appearance order out here, we're looking in the warehouse control system, we're looking in the conveyor system to see where those cartons are, because we're looking at specific cartons. And because of that tight interface, made an awful lot of sense with our warehouse control system. We see the warehouse control system as probably the backbone of our operation.
We thought we were doing about 60 lines an hour. And then with voice, we found out quickly that changes to 120 lines per hour almost overnight. So the speed and the efficiencies that we gained with voice was second to none.
Build train.
Scan 1.
So once a picker gets assigned to a feeder, they're either going to be in the front or the back. They're going to make the trains, or they're just going to continue building the trains. So if I'm picking with voice, there's no longer just picking into one carton. I could build this train from 5 cartons to 10 cartons. It's definitely a pick and pass. We call it the bucket brigade, so we continually pass the work on to the next employee.
We found a lot of productivity gains from the implementation of voice, and we've more than doubled our efficiency, our productivity in the picking area. We achieved payback on our voice project in less than a year. It was really a phenomenal success. We were looking to achieve payback in less than 2 years, but we did better than that.
And prior to voice, we would have anywhere from 30 to 50 temps in our busy season. With voice, we've completely eliminated any temporary employees that might be here, because we simply don't need them. And what we do is, with voice and with the reports that it generates, we're able to tell by feeder how many employees I need at each zone. So we've actually turned it from a guessing game into a science. So as things change, you see that AL changes with the times, and they're cutting edge, and they guide us to those next steps. So it's been a very, very good relationship. AL has been a big part of what I've done here. I've known AL for 20 years. They're almost part of the family here. You talk about partnerships, and with AL, it's truly a partnership. When I call them, it feels like I'm calling somebody next office over. So they're a great bunch of people to work with. I enjoy working with them. They took us from step A to step B, and they were with us the entire time.
They've proven themselves over the year to be an excellent partner. They've really earned our business.